Hello everyone, I have a good news for your PMP preparation. You might be observing we are posting regular questions on our social media platform like LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram. Now what we have done is we have compiled all those questions and presented to you as a tool which can help you in preparing for your PMP exam. These questions are now very well tagged with exam content outline task as well. Let me show you a quick demo of this particular tool. You can visit eisenbridge.com and locate to section called resources, and under resources you can find tutorials. In the tutorial area, the tutorial talking about PMP practice questions is the one where you can find the list of our questions. This list keeps getting updated because weekly we are posting new questions also, and you can navigate, you can start from the sequence one by one, and any question you click, you can find the details of that particular question, and you can find also the explanation in a textual format, and we also have a video explanation of all the questions which are posted here. On top of it, we are also mapping these questions to exam content outline task. So you can also see the map. Now we have another tutorial which explains these exam content outline tasks. So if you click on a hyperlink of exam content outline, it takes you to that particular tutorial where this particular task is explained, and you can find the details which can help you in getting better understanding of the task which is getting tested in this particular question. Sometimes you also have a video explanation of the task as well, so that you can make best use of that also. On top of it, other questions which are also mapped to the same task are also hyperlinked here. So say if you are drilling inside the task 6 and you may want to see more questions related to it, you can find them at the same place if you navigate to the task 6. So make best use of it. Interconnect the questions with the task, because the PMP exam is going to be 100% based on exam content outline task. And if you get a good understanding of these questions, they can ensure that you succeed in your PMP exam without any problem.